Hey everyone, I'm so excited to share this milestone with you. I've reached 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, and I want to thank each and every one of you for your support and for being a part of this amazing community. Your enthusiasm and engagement mean the world to me, and I'm so grateful for your continued support. I'm also thrilled to announce that I've added a new play button to my channel. This play button is a symbol of our journey together, and I can't wait to see where it takes us next. Thanks for watching.